let us not limit there the meaning of success. It is also the fruit of your diligence, perseverance, and grit in life. May we call on Maria, Kisha, and Silva with high honors to deliver her Thanksgiving address. Everyone, let us give her a resounding round of applause.
Dr. Renny M. De Castro, Vice President of Operations and School Principal, Ms. Rowena P. Salazar, our College Coordinator, Mr. Alvin T. Valencia, our Senior High School Head, Ms. Narisa P. Rivera, our Junior High School Head, Ms. Cristina Lawrence K. Melo, our Acting Elementary School Head, Ms. Robilyn Villanueva, our guest speaker, Dr. Maria Felisa Agustin P. Reyes, to my dearest advisor, Ms. Danica De Torres, to the faculty, staff, beloved classmates, fellow graduates, proud parents, and guests, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. We are truly blessed by the Lord because today we get to celebrate a significant milestone in our lives, a day that we have been working for years. Today is the day when we reap the fruits of our hard work. All our late-night study sessions, group projects that tested our patience, the challenges we overcome, and the victories we celebrated. As I stand here, reflecting on our journey, I am filled with a deep sense of gratitude and pride. We have not only grown academically, but also personally, forming bonds and gaining experiences that will shape our future. While writing this speech, I remember my journey here in Bicas. When I was in kinder, I asked my mother, "Ma, para saan po yung valedictorian?" She told me, "Ay nak, ibig sabihin, ikaw ang pinakamahusay sa klase mo at magiging scholar ka." After I heard those words, a spark of determination struck me. I promised them that one day I will be a valedictorian. Then now, ladies and gentlemen, here I am, standing in front of you all, a dreamer. This promise is the reason why I did my best throughout my elementary days. I strove to be better each day, even though it was exhausting. With the support of my schoolmates and teachers who motivated me to keep going, I made it. If it weren't for them, I would not be here standing before you. I want to say thank you to all the teachers who listened to me whenever I have concerns, to all the teachers who made me laugh during classes, and to all the teachers who gave me advice when I am troubled. Fellow graduates, we have faced many challenges. Remember the times when we told ourselves, "Ayoko na, hindi ko na kaya." Now look at us today. We stand happy and smart looking, proud that we have reached this far. If it weren't for the people who told us na, "Kaya mo yan," we wouldn't be here. In the years we have been together, I want to say that it was a privilege to have met all of you. I hope that we will continue to grow as better persons. Let us remember to always choose to be kind, and let us learn to forgive and accept. Let us be persistent in everything we do and strive for the best. Remember that success is not measured by our achievements, but by the impact we have on others. As we part ways, may we continue what we have learned as Bicasians. Let us continue climbing the highest mountains until we kiss the highest clouds. Before my speech ends, allow me to greet my beloved parents. Dad, thank you for making my performances undeniably the best. Mom, thank you for helping me in my studies, and thank you for believing in me. To my tatay Lolo, Lola Celia, Tita Shine, and Tito Pipoy, thank you for all your financial support. To my Ate Faye and Ate Cha, thank you for all your help. I love you all. To finish, may I request my fellow graduates to please stand up and give a round of applause for yourselves, your parents, families, and guardians. As we say, congratulations to all of us. We made it as a team. Thank you for your unconditional love and support all throughout our journey here in Bicas. God bless us all.